everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Look what I have, and it's very, very heavy this month. Well, not super heavy, but it feels heavier than normal. In case anyone's new, welcome. This here is the Allure Beauty subscription box, which is a $25 a month beauty subscription. You get 6 products and at least 3 are guaranteed to be full size. This subscription is really good in my opinion because it comes with a mix of skincare, hair care, and beauty products. Plus 3 to 4 times a year you get to select either one of the products, or typically it's one product but you get to pick which shade you want. It does come with a booklet which will list all of the products that came in the box along with the MSRP value for the full size. Alright, enough rambling. Let's grab the first product, which is quite large. What is this? Okay, it's from a brand called AHAVA, and this is the Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. Oh, I'm a lazy girl, which is why I said, oh. But hopefully it's something that can be thrown on your face in just a couple of minutes, and then I can use it while I'm in the shower. Oh, okay, yay. It says you only have to keep it on your face for 2 minutes, which means for a lazy girl like me, this is a very usable product. All right, I'm going to assume this is full size, and the culprit for why that box was so heavy, she weighs a good bit. All right, without me seeing every product in this booklet, let's see what this retails for. All right, so 100 mLs retails for $39, which actually was less than I was thinking. I don't know. I always think AHAVA is super bougie. And yep, this is full price, 100 ml for $39. All right, next product. Ooh, what is this? The packaging is really nice. Okay, so this is from a brand called Monday, and it's a moisture something. The white writing on this very soft peachy pink is no bueno for somebody who is over the age of 45 and needs readers. So give me a second. All right, so this is the Monday Hair Care Moisture Shampoo. It is a little sample. This packaging is so nice. It's like nice if this was a full-size bottle type of plastic. And what I am going to assume is a flip-up top for squeezing out. I don't want to break my nail, but why won't that open? Oh, because it's taped. Okay, yes. It's going to have something that's going to pop up. Yeah, so that is a travel sample size, 50 ml. Regular is 359 or something like that. All right, and when I was looking it up, I did get a spoiler that, yes, we got the companion in the conditioner. So this is the Monday Hair Care Moisture Conditioner, same size, 50 ml. And, oh, did I mention? Full sizes retail for $7.99. So 354 ml. I don't know how big that is. 5 times this size? 6? I can't do math. No, 7 times this size. Is that worth $8? Leave me a comment and let me know. All right, next product. Ooh, we have something from CIATÉ London. This here is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Oh, how funny. I say that because A, I have dry skin, B, I don't use powder. However, I recently picked up a CIATÉ London translucent powder as an add-on in my Ipsy box. Oh, okay, but I got the pink one. This is translucent, although why was mine called translucent if it's pink? Okay, she's a powder, and I'm not one to powder much, but I do have a little baby one here, just so you can see the size difference. So yay, let's see how much that retails for. Oh, for some reason I thought this was gonna be like $38. It's $22. So if you use powder and like something translucent, that one wasn't as expensive as I was thinking it would be. All right, next item. Wow, this is a frequent flyer. This here is Juliette Has a Gun. The perfume is Juliette. But wait, I always thought the perfume was always Juliette Has a Gun. Is this a different scent, or is this the one that's like, what is it, whale excrement or something? It has a fancier name than that, but it's literally just one ingredient. Or is this something different? As if me smelling that would have answered that question. Let's take a look-see. Don't know why I'm looking at the back of the box when I have a lovely pamphlet which will have much, much larger font sizes. Alright, so the retail is $150 for 100 ml, and we have a 5 ml sample. It says that the fragrance pulls off a balancing act between sweet and mysterious with a warm cherry note spiced by pink pepper. That sounds very different than the other one I tried. Unfortunately, today is one of the few days, and I should learn, if I'm going to unbox, don't wear perfume, because I've been getting a lot of perfumes lately. I will try my best. I'm wearing a perfume. Let's try it right there. I actually might like that better than the other Juliette Has a Gun. It is a little floral, but I'm not picking up any or too much rose. But again, I'm already wearing perfume. But leave me a comment and let me know if you've smelled this scent Juliette before, and if so, what your thoughts were. Alright, and then the last item, whoa, this weighs a ton and is quite large. This here is from MAＥLYS, not sure if I'm saying that right, and it's Get-Dreamy. It's an overnight toning body whip. Don't know what that means. Is it just a body cream, but you're supposed to put it on at night? Since when does a body cream have to go on at nighttime? Let me read the pamphlet before I start going off on a little tangent, because maybe I misinterpreted. Alright, so it says how you use it. Apply it from the neck down at night, like right after you shower, and then wake up to smoother skin in the morning. Well, that assumes you shower at night. I shower in the morning. Interesting. Can you put it on your actual face? No, skin below the neck. So it's not a night cream. Okay. This is full size and it retails for $39. My hesitation, I'm just confused. Let me know, do you use a different special body lotion at nighttime? And if so, which one? And have you heard of this before? Alright, let's recap everything I got in the January 2025 Allure Beauty Box. I got the Juliette Has a Gun Juliette Perfume Sample, the Monday Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner Samples, the AHAVA Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask, the MAELYS Get-Dreamy Overnight Toning Whip, and the CIATÉ London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is what I would consider a typical standard Allure beauty box. Some of the products were yay, others were I'll use it, and a couple were like meh, not my jam, but they aren't bad products. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I've found that with the Allure box, for $25 a month, you typically get at least $120, if not higher. I've received box values that were over $200 before. For me personally, this box is a little, I don't want to say meh, but I just personally would have really dry skin, so I'm not one to use setting powders. Luckily, this only needs to stay in your face for 2 minutes. Otherwise, I'm just not one to use purifying mud mask. Again, I have dry skin, and I know products like that are really good if you have oily skin or acne, but I will definitely give it a try. This product, I know it's marketed for the nighttime. I don't think there's any harm in using it in the morning or during the day. I've never tried shampoo or conditioner from Mondays, but the packaging alone on these, this is going to be my go-to travel little containers. These are like super convenient, perfect size, and the quality feels really, really nice. I still am not sure if I'm smelling this or what I already had on. It's reminding me of another perfume, but I don't know perfumes well enough to tell you which one it's reminding me of. But if you've smelled this and you know which other one I'm talking about, let me know. But yeah, it's one of those scents that isn't obnoxious. It isn't bad. It may grow me, but right off the first spritz, it's not like, oh my God, I must run out and buy it. but I have a feeling it might grow on me. But I'm really curious to know if you've smelled that before, and if so, what you think about it. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor, clicking on the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.